To create an exploded view of your hinge or any assembly, you need to edit a couple things in your assembly. Once you're in your assembly, under Model, Exploded View, select Exploded View. You can then change the position of the pieces, of the parts. So if I select this pin as an example, I can edit the position. The idea for this exploded view is to separate all the parts and then put in a offset line into the drawing to show which direction the parts attach to. So once you have your parts separated, you then need to add exploded lines, and you select the surfaces in which they're moving. So if I select this face, and this face, I can apply an offset line to show which direction the part attaches to and how. Once your offset lines are complete, and your parts are positioned where you want them to, check the exploded view, and then we need to go to Manage Views and click View Manager, go to Explode, and you are going to right click on the default explode. You're going to hit Save. That way this exploded view is updated to the file. So once that is selected in your actual drawing you create, you need to click on the assembly view. You need to go to Properties, and View States needs to be set to exploded view and the default view for the exploded view. In addition, if you would like, you can create multiple exploded views, and then you need multiple inside the explode category of the view manager. If you have multiple different drawings with different exploded views, you could do that. And that's it.